Hi, I'm Ed Bagden, and I'd like to welcome you to LIFT's Summer Flyby Virtual Summer Camp. Over the next 3 days, we'll discuss aircraft physics, aviation weather, aviation career opportunities, aircraft systems, and we'll go on an awesome virtual flight together. Let's get started. As part of the LIFT Summer Flyby, you'll go through different modules to learn about these topics and also do some at-home activities with things you may have around your house. LIFT Academy was founded with the mission of providing a pathway to careers in aviation for young people like yourselves. With over 46 aircraft, flight simulators, classrooms, we've quickly become one of the largest flight training academies in the United States. We provide a clear and defined pathway and all of the support that students need to become pilots or technicians, those who fly the aircraft and those who work on them. And there's a lot of great careers in aviation. We train thousands and thousands of hours every month to help our pilots achieve their goals of flying for the airlines. At the summer camp, we're going to help you learn some of the great lessons that our pilots learn every day. This right here is one of LIFT Academy's DA-40 aircraft. It is one of the most high technology airplanes that you can buy for flight training today, and we chose that for our fleet because it helps our students learn all the skills and abilities they're going to need to be successful in a jet flying for the airlines. Now, a fun thing we're going to do as part of the camp is we're going to take you up on a virtual ride-along with one of our newest instructors, Sarah, and we'll talk about some of the different maneuvers we do and how we can demonstrate the aerodynamic principles that we learn on the ground in flight. Module 1, the physics of flight. We're going to discuss the 4 forces of flight: lift, thrust, drag, and weight. One of the most interesting things about becoming a pilot is learning about these concepts scientifically, how they work on paper, and then taking it into the airplane and applying it, and actually seeing the physics at work. Module 2, where we'll learn about weather. As a pilot, it's important to understand how weather works, how it forms, how to understand different weather products, but also to understand when it's safe to fly and when it's not safe to fly. Being a pilot is as much about making decisions as it is about flying the actual airplane. So at LIFT Academy, we don't just learn about how airplanes fly and the weather, but we actually learn about how the airplane itself works, whether you're a pilot or a technician. In this next module, Jackie is going to walk you around the aircraft and help you understand some of its fundamental parts and systems. Module 4, where we'll discuss opportunities in the aviation industry for careers. We'll talk about aviation technicians, corporate employees, flight attendants, pilots, and certificated flight instructors. Just wanted to thank you again for joining us this week. We are excited to learn with you, to answer any questions you may have, and to help create a new generation of aviation professionals.